welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Ines and
Alex.
And today we are gonna do a cook with us videos. I don't know if you guys enjoy these videos, but we like doing those. And today we were thinking about making a cheesecake because Alex loves cheesecake, and I think I made one for you like 4 or 5 years ago, like just when we met, because he told me he loved cheesecake, so I tried to make one for him. It was pretty hard, not so bad, but pretty hard. But this time around we were like, okay, let's cook a cheesecake and let's make a good one that's soft. Not here to say we know how to make it exactly. We will try, you guys will follow it with us. And if you ever try that recipe, because all the ingredients we will show you in a minute, but also they're gonna be down in the description box, so you guys will have it all. But anyways, if you try the cheesecake recipe, please let me know how you find it, if you love cheesecake or if you don't. I'm on a diet, still on a diet, but Alex really wanted that, so I was like, okay, let's go make it.
My diet.
Yeah, your diet, but you're not supposed to eat that much sugar too. None of y'all are you supposed to eat so much sugar. It's not good for your health, and I care for you, so not too much sugar. So, yeah.
Okay, so here it's all what you need to do the crumb for the cheesecake. So here we have about 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Here we have around 1.5 cups of crumb. And here we have about 4 or maybe 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and here it's all what you need to do the cake preparation. Okay, so here you have a 1/4 cup of flour. You have 3 eggs. And here you have the cottage cheese. Here is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So here you have 1/2 cup of white sugar. So here you have the cream cheese, the Philadelphia, around 16 ounces. Okay, so this one here, you're gonna use this to melt the butter. This is called a 9-inch spring-form pan. It's for the cheesecake. And those 2 bowls, one is for the crumble mix, and the other one is to mix the cheesecake cake. And here you need a mixer. I know it's maybe not the best one, but it's gonna do the job.
Actually, Alex read the recipe. And we are going to follow his recipe. So I bet we're gonna start with making the scramble.
Yeah.
This is the butter. And let's put some heat. What is that?
I don't know, but it's fine.
Okay, at around 8. Do we have a spoon over here? So let's put the spoon over here. I bet the butter we have to just make it melt first. Then for the scramble.
It's crumble. What's crumble?
It's crumble.
Crumble.
Crumble. Then for the crumble, we have to mix this with that, right?
Yeah, you can do it right now.
Okay. So.
Not good.
Yeah. Okay. This actually, between the both of us, Alex is the one who cook all the cake, all the pastries, and everything. Like, let's all be honest, Alex, he's the cook for the
cake.
The cake. So he make all type of cake.
She's my student.
Yeah, so I'm Alex's student today. I never seen the first time that I was seeing Alex starting to cook some cake. I was like, okay, that's weird. But at the end, like, he make, what kind of cake do you make?
I make cheesecake. White cake with fruit. What else? Other kind, I don't know. I don't remember right now, but I like to do a crumble, apple crumble.
Yeah.
Cheesecake.
And there's the
white cake.
The cake with the pears that we make during the summer.
I put pears in the bottom and I put white cake on the top of it.
Yeah.
It's good.
Very good.
Alright, so the butter is ready.
Yep.
So careful.
Are you gonna throw it in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mix it.
So this is the mixing that I'm doing right now. So you have the butter, the crumb, the sugar, and we're mixing all of this. And Alex,
And here you can add the butter everywhere so to make sure it doesn't stick.
yeah, because this is going here after.
Yeah.
Okay, so now here we have the finished look. That's how you want it to look. And Alex is gonna pour it all over. So here we go. We're gonna start with putting the cottage cheese inside of this bowl.
Yummy. Take this.
Thanks. Here we go.
We're done with this one.
And then we have to throw the whole Philadelphia in.
It
By
goes
the
better
way-
when you
Yeah, go say it.
It's better when you buy the like 2 brick. It's like 2 little piece square of cream cheese, but no more was left at the store, so I take this one. It's
Yeah.
the same thing.
Yeah. So basically we took this one because the one in the square boxes were not there. So I bet we have to put the whole Philadelphia, right? Oh, that's a lot of Philadelphia. I think I need the...
Just go like that.
Ah,
That's it. And take
here's
this.
the man. He did it.
Okay, alright, so now we have the cottage cheese and the Philly cheese. So you start to mix both of them first. Okay, now we need to add the sugar, the flour, the vanilla, and that's it for now. Alright, so let's start with the sugar. Hey. All in the same time, so the vanilla,
The sugar, the vanilla.
and the flour and the flour. Alright.
Great. Great, great, great.
Almost.
Almost great.
Okay, so we have to start with one. No, attends. Un à la fois.
Okay.
Okay, so now we put the first egg, we mix, and then we add the other one after the other. Low speed and low speed. Okay, now she just put the second egg. That's it. Il y a des bulles. Okay, so now she just put the third egg, and then that's it. It's ready to put
Inside
right
the...
in it there. Là, je pense que quand ça va fondre, quand ça va cuire, ça va faire des bulles d'air.
Tasty. Do we need this again?
No, but try to put the more in there.
Can I eat that?
Wait. We need, because we're short on the Philly cheese.
I love to taste everything like while you're making it. The same thing as when my mom used to make cakes when I was young. I will taste everything, you know, like the paste when it's not even done.
I was doing the same, but you just took my place.
Now you're the parent?
Yeah, you're the kiddo. You're the annoying kiddo.
That's not true.
Alright, so make sure you preheat the oven at 450.
And we are going to make the cheesecake.
Oh, wait. Okay, so the crumble mix, you have to cook it for 10 minutes at 450.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna wait. So now we can put this here.
Wow, it's melted. Looks like it's gonna taste good. And like Alex said a few minutes ago, when you pour it inside, there's supposed to be no bubbles. Like bubbles.
Try to have no bubble.
Yeah. And then you can just make it out, like, for it to be smooth.
Ah, yeah. Alright, so the cake is ready, guys.
Just got out after an hour, yeah. Something like that, yeah.
And I put this in the oven.
That's some water.
Yeah, water to make sure it doesn't crack, but it cracked.
Okay.
But at least it didn't crack in the middle.
Yeah.
So I guess it's okay.
It looks great to let it like get cold inside the fridge for about how long?
4 hours.
4 hours, yeah.
Like we cannot put right now in the fridge. We have to wait. It has to cool down a bit. And it's gonna shrink a bit too.
So here's the result. So now we're gonna show you right before we put it inside the fridge. And
yeah, you have to trim like that.
Yeah. It looks like it did well. No?
Yeah, I think it's good.
It's good.
I've seen worse.
Yeah, me too. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it for today. We just finished doing the cake and everything. It's so much later in the night. As you can see, I already changed and Alex is the same. Yeah, but I hope you enjoy us cooking that cheesecake. Finally it was good and we enjoy doing it and everything. But yeah, if you try the recipe, make sure you see in the description down below. There's everything you need, and let us know how you like it.
That's it. Thank you guys, and hope you like the cake.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Là. Ok, so j'attends. C'est quoi encore? C'est hope you like the video.